Welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you how to write perfect headline. In a sea of content, is a great headline the first and will cause someone to pause while reading and want to continue. If you're having trouble coming up with catchy headlines, watch this video to discover 3 stages to writing catchy headlines that will be shareable and maybe attract new readers through social media or other channels. Effective headlines. Step 1. Prior to learning how to create a headline, you must first understand your audience. Who are you writing for? What are their needs and wants? What are their concerns? Once you have the answers to these questions, you can develop headlines that appeal to your audience and forward your objectives. Occasionally the only chance you have to create an impression. Step 2. The headline is one of the most crucial elements of any article because it attracts readers and tells them what the piece is about. A strong headline makes it clear and concise for readers to understand what your content is about and what they can expect to learn from it. Keep it brief and to the point. A headline shouldn't contain more than a few words. Clearly state for readers what they will learn from your essay. Be specific. A solid headline explains to readers what they can anticipate reading in your piece. Choose keywords carefully. They should correctly represent the content of your post and aid people in finding it. Easily make it catchy online. A compelling headline will entice people to click through to your post and continue reading. Step 3. Use keywords to make your title SEO friendly. It's crucial to keep SEO in mind while creating headlines. Use keywords that are pertinent to your subject and that people are likely to type into search engines to help your article appear on result pages and increase the likelihood that they will click on it. Consider the keywords you wish to target and then put those keywords in your headline. Don't overuse keywords in your title. Doing so will make it appear spammy and may harm your SEO. Instead, utilize them naturally to make your headline read nicely. People are more inclined to click on your headlines if they are brief and to the point. A succinct, simple to understand headline. Writing headlines may seem simple, but if you want to create ones that work, you need to do a little more than simply stuff a few keywords in there. Knowing who your audience is, you can write headlines that will grab your attention and generate results by making sure they are both relevant and intriguing and packing a punch. So what are you waiting for? Start writing.